it's Jane from our recipe tree, and today we are making zucchini drop biscuits. They are super easy and super flavorful. It is not like a tea biscuit. It is like a flavor bomb of biscuits. The flavor bomb of biscuits. So I have already treated my zucchini. So I put about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, messed it around, put it in my colander and just let it sit for 10 minutes. Then you give it a rinse, squeeze it out and pat it dry. Your zucchini's ready to go. This is 3/4 of a cup. So I'm going to mix my dry ingredients, which is 2½ cups of all-purpose flour. I use unbleached. You've got a tablespoon of baking powder and a teaspoon of salt. And we're just gonna mix that up and then add our cold butter from the fridge. Okay, so I've got my butter. It's cold, it's unsalted, it's all cubed up. And I'm just gonna add that to my flour mixture. I have a handy dandy pastry cutter. It's kind of old school, but it works really well. And so I'm just gonna keep working this mixture until it looks like oatmeal. So to my flour mixture, I've added my 3 cheeses. So it's a half a cup of, well, I use old white cheddar, a 1/4 cup of mozzarella, and a 1/4 cup of parm. Then I added 2 tablespoons of sun-dried tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of basil, and my zucchini that I had previously got the juices out of. So I'm just gonna mix this and then add my milk. I've got a cup of milk ready to go, and you don't wanna overmix your biscuits. So I guess I'll show you how I do this, even though I know you know how to mix. But just give this a good mix, and then once you add your milk, you just barely mix it. Just enough. So some of the zucchini, when you press it out and get the juices out, sticks together. So before you add your milk, make sure you really work that, mix it in well. Okay, so now we're gonna add our 1 cup of 2% milk. So I'm just gonna go for it. Now, as my Aunt Pearl used to say, we called her Auntie Pearl, she used to say, don't muck about. Just a little mix until it's all mixed, and that's it. Okay, using the spoon didn't cut it for me. I'm old school. So it's just about incorporated. There's no more, pretty much no more flour on the bottom. So that's it. I'm leaving it. And now we're gonna do the drop. So this is kind of fun because there's no rolling it around, rolling out the dough, having to cut things. You just fill your container and drop it on your sheet. That's it. So I did pretty good. I'm short one because I filled them a little full, but I like a nice sized biscuit. I don't know about you. I don't want to cheap out on the size. So I'm gonna pop these in the oven at 425. Preheated oven. Look at that. Whoop, whoop. There is so much flavor in these with the sun-dried tomatoes and the basil and the cheese. Oh, you're gonna love them. Cheers. Oh, yummy. I love a good biscuit.